and welcome to 1 Kings chapter 2. And this week we see the importance of passing down stories, sharing stories, being vulnerable with people of how God has come through and shown himself to be awesome in different areas of our life, and passing those on to other people, passing those on to different generations. So here I have with me Willow Grace, and she's 2 months old. And we'll see if I can make it through this video without her fussing a little bit. But I wanted to tell you a story about my mom and my dad. And my grandpa, not too long ago, was diagnosed with colon cancer and wasn't a believer, and asked my dad, who was a believer, to pray for him. Said, "Will you send up 2 prayers for me?" And my dad prayed for him, and what the cancer was spreading. It was spreading to different organs, and it was really not looking good. So as my grandpa went into surgery, my dad was there, and my dad prayed for him and prayed for him after that. And the surgeon came out, and the surgeon said that it was really, really unexpected and strange even what he saw. But when he went in to take out the cancer, it was peeling off. It was like it was already coming off of different organs, the other organs. So my grandpa, his life was saved basically from prayer. And another story is my mom, not too long ago, she had something called a heart arrhythmia. So her heart was beating way too fast, no blood could get through, and she was dying. And she was on her exercise bike and just fell off. It was laying on the floor, and all she could think to do was call out for Pete, my stepdad, who was in a totally different room with the TV on. And all my mom had the strength to do was to say Pete, but at barely a whisper. And apparently God tapped him on the shoulder or something, and caused him to hear that tiny whisper in a completely different room. And he went in, he was able to call 911, and the ambulance came, firemen came, and they were able to save my mom's life as a result of that. But those are ways that God has really shown off. And there's others, tons of others, how God has shown himself to be great and strong and graceful and powerful. And really we have the special privilege of bragging on God and sharing those stories in our life. And sometimes we tend to hold back the hard stories of how people have hurt us or how we've hurt other people. But yet those show God's glory, his character, in different ways that we'd never be able to see otherwise. So this week, maybe a challenge could be to think through what are ways that God has shown up and shown off in your life, and try to share those with others. All right, have a good week. Bye-bye.